Good evening everyone, welcome to Budget Scenery Workshop. Just before we get started with the commentary, I just want to thank you all for subscribing and supporting the channel, but I've also noticed 89% of my views aren't from subscribers, so please do hit that subscribe button and don't forget that notification bell. Okay, with that out of the way, today is a trader build. Now, what I was going for initially, I wanted it to be a kind of cyberpunk, but as I was building, it kind of just morphed into a kind of apocalyptic build. But I wasn't complaining because it was pretty cool looking. So the stuff you see me using there is plasterer's tape that they use to, hold two plasterboards together. And these were wooden letters from a all-in-one store. I think these were about $1.99 for a full pack, all of the alphabet. Super glue and baking powder just makes a really strong bond. Yeah, for the most part I went through quite a lot of super glue here. So here I'm making steel beams, or I-beams if you call them. All I did was just use coffee stirrers and they worked out really well. Then I just attached them to the trader sign, and this would go on the roof. So yeah, also if you're enjoying the music, please do let me know, because it's a new edition and I'm liking it, so I hope you are too. Yeah, I wanted it to look all kind of run down, so I used some corrugated card and some scrap card to make some doors. So that was the front door to the store. I also made some doors for the back and a kind of lift up garage style door. And here I'm just making some little bits and pieces for the inside. This is a shelf, again just using a bunch of scrap card I had lying around, and I wanted to make a little desk, so once again using scrap card and coffee stirrers, that's what I used for this. I think this is one of the builds I used quite a lot of stuff from my bits box for a change, and just some cardstock cut up into little squares for the paving stones outside. This was for the base of the traders. You can see it finished, and just adding little beads and stuff and cogs to the shelf, just so it kind of fills it out a bit. So, and as you can imagine, it would be a playable interior. And this is just me adding texture paste. All this is sand, polyfiller and brown paint. Then I gave it all a base coat of black. Then with a dark grey I painted the paving stones, making sure to leave the bits I textured unpainted. And I stippled on grey paint, so it kind of gives it that rough texture. Then I'm just painting the textured pieces on the base brown. I also painted the walls in this colour. Then I just gave it a dry brush of light orange, just to make it look as if it was all rusted over. I did the same for the actual shop itself, and as you can see I added a little dumpster. And I hope you like this build. Please let me know in the comments what you think, and if you are not subscribed, please do so, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Okay guys, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, bye for now.